ile kitu nilikuwa nataka kusema in nutshell ni we need to have a leadership yenye everything is flowing. Kama mmechagua ambassador leader wenu,
kulikuwa na watu town walikuwa wanafanya maandamano, walikuwa sijui wamewasafu barua kwa watakuwa maandamano, wanarua reflectors za watu, wanachapa watu, wananyang'anya watu simu, wananyang'anya watu pesa, Land Cruiser ilikuwa ikiwa escort. Listen. And the same people, they were being funded by the aspirant mwenye anauliza president. Now we are just asking you as the government, are you supporting the government of William Ruto or you are just supporting the government which is coming? Yes. And they have reached in a point where the government of Kisii County wameshindwa to solve the problem of Kisii County ya Boda Boda because wow, they side with the people who are coming for aspiring for the presidential candidate and the governorship. Now we need the president of the republic, William Samoei Ruto, to come and solve the problem because the disease and all or whatever. I want to ask a question. And the last thing. We are here as leaders of Kisii municipality to support the government of William Samoei. If the government of Kisii County who are working in the government system, they don't want it. Utafanya nini? Hata nani afike? Because wameshindwa kusolve shida yetu.